Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to remove someone from BFF on Snapchat. So how to remove someone BFF on Snapchat. So we have a few options. I'm going to give you a few options how to do that. So first option is to stop sending snaps and chatting with them. So just stop sending snaps or chatting with the person. Start snapping other friends and start chatting with other friends, and just start chatting or talking to them more often rather than your best friend. There you go. And over time, Snapchat algorithm will replace them with whoever you interact with more. It might take a few days to a week depending on your activity. And option two is you can just click on them. After clicking on them, click on top right here, then click on the top right corner, and you can just what you can do is click on manage friendship, and right here what you can do is you can either remove or block them. So here, because remove friend, you'll no longer be friends and they'll disappear from your list. And if you block them, this cuts off all contact completely. And then your best friend status will now reset. Will not reset. And option three is clear your history. To clear history, you need to go to your settings, then go to apps, and then clear history and clear cache, and something like that. And if you have the premium version, like I do, um, but I only got my premium version for free because Snapchat got quick to free, guys. You can use for new users Snapchat. You can get the free premium account for just 1 week, like what I did right here. I have a 1 week premium 1 week free subscription account here at Snapchat. So just taking advantage of it, and then once you're here, um, click on the three dots since you have a premium, and then uncheck the hashtag number one BFF. So I've unchecked that, as you can see right there, and then I'll click on done. After doing that, move back, and as you can see, there's no more emoji of being best friend. Now if you want to put it back, just do that again, and then instead of not unchecking, just click on check and then click on done. So there you go. So yeah, those are the options. So those are the three options, and three and then fourth if you have the premium. So yeah, there you go. So those are three and fourth options that you can do to um to remove someone from BFF on Snapchat. So there you go, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions, type it down in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you. And thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.